What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best laser printer for labels. Printing labels is a hard task. You need to make sure the colors are top-notch, the size and aspect ratio is maintained, and the print isn't damaged by water or excessive heat. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 laser printer for labels. Number 1. Brother HL-L2300D laser printer for labels. First up on the list is the HL-L2300D printer from Brother. It's a straightforward laser printer that gets the job done absolutely right. One of the best features of this printer is its speed. It can print up to 27 pages per minute on basic settings. The printer doesn't have a wireless connection feature, so you need to connect it to your computer via USB. The printer comes with a 1-year warranty from the manufacturer. The printer here is Windows 10 compatible. Number 2. Brother HL-L3210CW laser printer for labels. The Brother HL-L3210CW is a super efficient printer that gets the job done amazingly without costing you a fortune. With a printing speed of 19 pages per minute. This product is also a part of the Amazon Dash replenishment scheme. Finally, this printer is straightforward to work with. You can connect your devices to it via USB as well as Wi-Fi. Furthermore, the tray can hold 250 sheets of paper at a time. The manual feed slot can work with any sort of paper. Number 3. Brother HL-L2350DW laser printer for labels. The HL-L2350DW is another of their top-notch products that get the job done correctly when it comes to printing labels. The Brother HL-L2350DW is another printer that caught our eye. To begin with, this one is super easy to use. The black and white only printer also features a unique two-sided printing mechanism along with fast printing speed. Finally, the product comes with the Brother TN760 toner. It will last you 3,000 pages with ease. Number 4. Brother HL-L2395DW laser printer for labels. Presenting the HL-L2395DW flatbed laser printer from Brother, one of the most unique products on our list. The speed and efficiency of the printer are incredible. It can print up to 36 pages per minute. so printing and processing is no hassle at all. You can store papers of multiple types in the same drawer, and it'll adjust accordingly. In case you find the screen hard to use, the connection still is hassle-free. With NFC support, simply tap your phone, and the print will start.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Number 5. HP Laserjet Pro M118DW Laser Printer for Labels. Last but not the least, presenting the HP Laserjet Pro, the best laser primer for labels HP has to offer. This is able to reduce the wastage of pages and saves a lot of time. This is the more suitable one for your home and office. This has built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. You will get a very smooth connection. You can print without any interruption. You will get great customer service from them as well. You can ask them any question at any hour.